Hello class 9. In today's class, in chapter 5 input in Java, we are going to discuss about testing and debugging. First, what is testing? Testing is the process of making sure that program performs the intended task. Means the program is made for what? It is doing the same task, not doing anything else. Program is correct with all the different types of input. In all the condition, it gives the proper output, the correct output. That is called testing. So it is a process of making sure that the program performs the intended task for what the program is developed. Now what is debugging? Already you know, debugging is the process of locating and eliminating the program errors, and then program compiles with no syntax error. So debugging is the process of locating and eliminating the program errors. And see, during the testing, there is no syntax error, but program is not giving the correct output for what the program is developed. So there is difference in between testing and debugging. And debugging means simply locating and eliminating the program errors. Testing and debugging are vital steps of removing errors from the programs. These are two different tasks. Both are different tasks. First, testing. Testing is a process in which a program is validated, checked with all the inputs. Debugging is a process in which the errors are removed from the program. So what is the debugging? It is a process in which the errors are removed from the program. Find the errors and remove. Second difference, testing is complete when all the desired verifications against a specification have been performed. So with all the different types of input, if the program gives the correct output in all the conditions, then program is tested. It can be released in the market, can be sold, can be used by others. And debugging is finished when there are no errors and program is ready for the execution to give the output. So these are the two terms, testing and debugging of program. Now types of errors. There are three types of errors that occur in a computer program. Now what are the three types of errors? Syntax error, logical error and runtime error. The first one is syntax error. These errors occur when the rules or the grammar of the programming languages are not followed. Like suppose you have written a Java statement without semicolon, or a function or command which must be in lowercase, a small letter, it is written in capital letter, or a capital letter is written in a small letter. Okay, so this type of errors are called syntax error. The errors occurs when the rules of the grammar of the programming languages are not followed. Such programming errors involve incorrect punctuation, incorrect word sequences, undefined terms, or erroneous use of terms. So this is the first one, that is called syntax error, when the rules of the grammar of the programming language are not followed. It is against the, see, when you study any function or any command or any statement, it has got its syntax. When you go against the syntax and write the program, then that is called syntax error. Second error is logical error. What is logical error? A logical error is concerned with an error in planning the program's logic. It is a mistake in a program's source code. The program we write, that is called source code, that results in incorrect or unexpected behavior. So when you plan the program logic and program is wrong, you write the program in a high level language, that is called source code, that program is wrong, and it results in incorrect or unexpected behavior. So that is called logical error. Last type of error is runtime error. A runtime error is an error that occurs while running a computer program. When it occurs while running a computer program. These errors may occur due to incorrect mathematical operations. Suppose you are dividing a number by 0, or 0 is divided by a number, or by entering incorrect data values at the type of inputs. A program is asking to input you positive number, you are giving negative number or 0. So it will cause runtime error. Or you are dividing a number by 0 or 0 by any number. Alright, so there are three types of errors in a computer program: syntax error, logical error, and runtime error. Once again, syntax errors occurs when the rules or the grammar of the programming languages are not followed. Logical error is concerned with an error in planning the program's logic. It is a program mistakes in a program's source code, that is high level language code only. Runtime errors, program will be compiled with no syntax error but gives an wrong output during the running. These errors may occur due to incorrect mathematical operation. As I told you, sometimes by mistake we divide and 0 by a number or number by 0 by entering incorrect data values. Input is asking something else, you are giving the wrong input values at a time, so that causes runtime error. So in today's class, what you have learned: what is testing, what is debugging, what are the differences between testing and debugging, and three types of errors: syntax error, logical error, and runtime error. In the next class, we'll discuss the question answer. Thank you.